Well, what's up again? So here we go. I'm all ported, polished, port matched, and ready to stick some heads on here. So just kind of give it a quick look over and making sure everything is as it should be. And then I'm going to sand these surfaces real quick, or give them a quick scuff, just so they're nice and clean. Check them with a straight edge. Tap these bullet holes, just make sure everything's proper, and then we're going to go to it. I'm going to stick you guys on hyperlapse so you don't have to put up with me talking. See you soon. So worst case scenario, we're pretty close to it. I got around to this last bolt, and the second to the last bolt to get to 100 foot-pounds, and just didn't feel like that little torque adapter was feeling it. And yeah, I pushed it a little farther, and I didn't go over the 99, but it stripped out, or it pulled threads. So it's got to come apart. Everything's gonna come back off, and I'll get her fixed tomorrow. But I'm gonna be dropping f-bombs like a comma, so I don't think I'm gonna keep you guys with me on that one. So I'll get this fixed up in the morning, and then figure out what went wrong, and cure it, and then we'll go from there. So thanks for playing. Cheers.